Human blood is a unique and mysterious body fluid that contains critical information pertaining to the state of our health. How can modern technology uncover this critical information? How can a laboratory instrument provide you with the vital information necessary to effect the diagnosis and treatment of an illness? Mindray, a leading global medical device manufacturer, is proud to present the BS-480 Clinical Chemistry Analyzer, one of the most advanced and uniquely designed diagnostic tools for today's fast-paced medium to high-volume lab. This floor model analyzer meets the needs of most physicians' offices, medium-sized laboratories, or as a backup analyzer. The BS-480 with an all-new operation software interface offers 400 tests per hour for general chemistries and 560 tests per hour throughput, including ISE testing. The reagent carousel provides 24-hour non-stop cooling at 2 to 10 degrees. It stores up to 80 reagent bottles, including 2 utility reagent slots for DI water and wash solution. The sample carousel contains 90 positions and accommodates primary sample tubes, an aliquot tube, or micro-insert cups. The sample carousel is made with conductive material which greatly improves the sensitivity of the liquid level detection system. The BS-480 uses reusable glass cuvettes in the reaction carousel. All 90 permanent cuvettes are automatically cleaned by the 8-step auto wash station. The probes are cleaned internally by high water pressure and externally by the latest waterfall design, ensuring thorough cleaning. Should there be a need for deep cleaning, an enhanced washing function can be requested in the software. This laboratory workhorse is equipped with 2 separate sets of probes and mixers to be used with the reagent and sample carousel. Internal barcode reader enhances sample and reagent management, ensuring that the right test is performed on the right patient. The BS-480 is highly compatible with major LIS systems, providing bidirectional interface transmission. The optical system utilizes grating photometry and a halogen tungsten lamp. 12 wavelengths from 340 nanometers to 800 nanometers are available to accommodate most clinical chemistry testing requirements. The convenient front-load design allows easy access to the liquid bottles and the all-in-one ISE reagent pack. The ISE module consists of a sodium, potassium, and chloride electrode and is located on the side panel for easy access. There are 2 independent power switches. The main power switch controls reagent refrigeration and maintains the overall system temperature. The analyzer power switch controls the mechanical parts, provides energy savings, and prolongs lamp light, while the instrument is not being used during the night and/or weekend. The BS-480 supports assays with quadruple reagents. It can accommodate assays requiring R1, R2, R3, and R4 procedures. The software supports STAT, routine, priority, and batch testing with designated positions for calibrators, controls, stats, and routine samples on the sample carousel. The probe system offers liquid level detection, clot detection, reagent bubble detection, vertical and horizontal collision protection, auto collision recovery, as well as empty reagent level sense detection. During testing, the operator may monitor the real-time status of QC and reagent supply inventory. The status of various calibration parameters can be observed on screen, such as calibration expiration, calibration override, extend call time. This software also supports multiple reagent lots and calibrations simultaneously. On-screen maintenance tasks, expiration display, highlighted color reminder for routine maintenance. Simple daily maintenance takes no more than 5 minutes. The weekly and monthly maintenance procedures are easy to perform, lessening instrument downtime. To meet the need of today's high-demand laboratory, the BS-480 is designed with exceptional features such as auto startup and auto sleep, auto QC, auto rerun, auto pre-dilution, auto post-dilution, auto reagent dilution, automatic reagent blank checks, mask chemistry, assay will not run on QC or samples, LED light indicator of sample disk, virtual disk programming, customizable calculation chemistry, online operation manual, Levi Jennings charts, Westgard QC rules, serum index analysis, reflexive add-on testing, up to 99 calibrators, 99 controls, and 200 chemistry assays can be defined in the system. Once all samples are programmed and loaded on board, the operator may benefit from hours of walk-away time to perform other laboratory duties. The BS-480 analyzer offers unlimited test and QC results storage. The software is supported by Windows system and capable of supporting touchscreen operation. The BS-480 analyzer is a viable and profitable clinical solution for laboratories whose daily test volumes are between 600 and 1,200 tests. The extensive test menu suits the needs of most clinical settings such as internal medicine, family practice, pain management clinics, student health centers, urgent care clinics, and hospital satellite laboratories. The BS-480 analyzer consolidates workflow by processing both chemistries and drugs of abuse on a single system. This makes the BS-480 the preferred choice for achieving efficiency and profitability in your laboratory. Mindray solution contains over 60 kinds of parameters together with BS-480 will bring doctor trustable diagnostic results.